Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the interesting things that is going to happen in Windows, and I think that's a welcome change, is that the system monitor, the Sysmon, will be with Windows, will be an official app or an official tool that will be within Windows 11 at some point in the near future. So, what's that? Well, some people will understand that there's something that is the system internals, the collection of tools that actually a lot of IT people and even enthusiasts use to troubleshoot problems and check the system. Now, Sysmon for the system monitor is something that you always had to download separately. It was never part of the operating system. And so this means that you always had to go and get it if you need it. This is basically a tool that will report within Windows and give you a all the data required of crashing apps, maybe chasing some internal system malware or any other performance issues. This is a tool that is widely used. So what we know now is that within the last few Windows Insider builds in the beta and dev, Sysmon has been part of the Windows operating system. It is not turned on by default, but it is there. And so that means that slowly it's going to actually get into our systems. And Microsoft did confirm that Sysmon, the system monitoring tool, will be part of Windows in the future. So no more going to download, system internals or the system monitor on its own. Basically, it will be there and will be technically useful for people that want to troubleshoot. It's one of the tools. A lot of people use that tool to monitor and check out what's happening on for example, a system that would have blue screens all the time. Check out what's happening. What exactly can we see that will point us to where the problem is? So Sysmon coming to a Windows 11 operating system soon by default. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.